Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content and ideas, including conversation, stories, images, videos, and music. This new content can range from creativity to productivity and business insights. Like all other forms of AI, generative AI is powered by ML models, which are very large models that are pre trained on vast amounts of data, which is commonly referred to as large language models or LLMs in short. With generative AI, the beauty industry can explore new ways to pioneer ideas and go to market faster. Beauty industry has already started using Gen AI. Gen AI is playing a major part in creating an immersive, interactive, and personalized beauty shopping experience. For example, as you can see on your screen, Amazon Beauty is already using Gen AI. On their website, machine learning technologies powers the platform's e-commerce search and site personalization capabilities, delivering the right customer experience at the right time. Now, there are various ways that in the future we are going to see the implications and implementations of this Gen AI. For instance, we could brace ourselves to see augmented reality driven virtual try ons, personalized skin assessments, more live streaming, which is already very common in Australia, and then ML based shade matches and recommendations, live and augmented reality virtual service assistants, Gen AI powered stylists, mashed product recommendations, and lot of other things. The personalized product and content recommendations tailored to an individual beauty customer's interests are more likely to drive conversions. That is where Gen AI is going to shine in the near and far futures. I'm very keen to know what are your thoughts. Please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.